Today, I'm diving into PDF2Go, a popular online tool for editing, converting, and managing PDF files. Whether you need to merge, compress, split, or convert PDFs, PDF2Go offers a user-friendly platform that's accessible from any device with internet access. The website's layout is straightforward, making navigation simple for both beginners and experienced users. Once you upload a document, you can instantly start editing or converting with just a few clicks. The editing tools available on PDF2Go are quite extensive. You can add text, draw shapes, highlight important sections, and even rotate or delete pages within your document. However, the interface can feel slightly cluttered at times, especially if you're working with larger files. The conversion tools are effective for transforming PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even image files, maintaining decent formatting for most files. On the downside, the free version has certain limitations. You will encounter restrictions on file size, and some advanced features are locked behind a paywall. The processing speed can also be slow during peak usage times, which may be frustrating if you're in a hurry. That said, the platform does offer a premium plan that provides faster processing and enhanced features. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Security-wise, PDF2Go claims to delete all uploaded files after a short period to maintain user privacy. However, if you're dealing with highly sensitive documents, you may want to consider more specialized or offline tools. Another thing to note is the occasional ad pop-ups in the free version, which can disrupt the workflow. Overall, PDF2Go is a decent choice for basic to moderate PDF editing and conversion needs. If you're looking for an all-in-one tool that's accessible from anywhere, it's worth trying out. But for advanced editing or frequent usage, you might want to explore its premium plan or consider alternative tools. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing your experience with PDF2Go. Thanks for watching.